Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into a dilemma so many of us face, trying to find a modern smartwatch that actually delivers the goods without, completely emptying our wallets. Wearable tech is practically baked into our daily routines at this point, but honestly, the price tags on some of those flagship devices, they can be a little eye-watering. So let's unpack exactly what the Xiaomi Redmi Watch 6 brings to the table and see if it's the answer we've been looking for.
Let's hit a really crucial question right out of the gate. Can a budget smartwatch actually feel premium? For the longest time, there's been this massive assumption in the tech world that if a device is affordable, it basically has to feel cheap, clunky, or just compromised. I mean, we've all been there, right? You buy something to save a few bucks, and you just end up totally frustrated. Well, today, we're going to challenge that exact assumption by looking at the data and the reviews for this specific device. Looking at our source material, they note that the Redmi Watch 6, and I quote here, strikes an impressive balance between affordability and functionality. It's literally designed to bridge that enormous gap between cost and capability. The goal here is to be the go-to choice for anyone who absolutely wants the benefits of a modern smartwatch, but flat out rejects the idea of spending a small fortune to get them.
Okay, let's move right into Section 1, Aesthetics and Usability, Designing for the Everyday.
Look, before we even turn a smartwatch on, we actually have to wear the thing, right? And the core of its design philosophy is a sleek, minimalist, and really lightweight build. The big takeaway here is comfort. A smartwatch is totally useless if it's so heavy or bulky that you're dying to rip it off halfway through your day. The source really highlights that this lightweight build makes it comfortable enough for literally all-day wear. It just doesn't feel like a burden weighing your wrist down. And that minimalist design, it totally pays off in versatility. It lets you seamlessly transition through your whole day. Sweating it out at the gym, the watch fits right in. You shower, change, head to the office, the sleek look doesn't clash at all with professional attire. And then later, if you're out for a casual weekend outing, it looks just as at home there too. You're not swapping watches or compromising your style as the day goes on.
Now, a super crucial detail here is the screen quality. We're looking at a bright, crisp display that's actually easy to read even when you're outdoors in direct sunlight. This is a big deal because display quality is usually the very first thing to get chopped on a budget device. But here, the source notes that this crisp display gives the watch a premium feel that honestly far exceeds what you'd expect for the price point. It looks and feels high-end exactly where it counts, the interface you're staring at all day long.
All right, next up is Section 2, Under the Hood, Performance and Daily Use.
So, we know it looks good, but how does it actually run? Well, according to the review, navigating through the menus on the Redmi Watch 6 is remarkably smooth and responsive. When we're talking core health and fitness tracking, you're getting the whole shebang: heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, activity recording, and a bunch of workout modes. The real brilliance here isn't that these are revolutionary new concepts, it's that they actually work reliably. It covers everything most of us need, giving you really useful insights without getting overly complicated or bogging you down in unnecessary data.
And alongside the fitness stuff, there's the whole practical convenience factor. The watch delivers prompt notifications for messages and calls. Just think about how many times a day you're digging into your pocket or your bag just to see who's texting you. Having these alerts pop up promptly on a crisp screen means you can just glance at your wrist and move on. It genuinely enhances everyday life, keeping you connected without constantly needing to reach for your phone.
Moving on to Section 3, the standout feature, remarkable battery endurance.
If you have ever owned a smartwatch, you are definitely familiar with the absolute dread of the daily charge. So get ready for this number, 24. And no, actually, that isn't ours. That is Xiaomi's claim of up to 24 days of battery life. Yes, you heard that right. We are talking nearly a full month on a single charge. No way, right?
I mean, this is an absolute game changer that completely disrupts the current market standard. It just comfortably outlasts the competition. Even with regular everyday use of all those fitness and notification features we just talked about, this unbelievable battery endurance just means less time stressing about finding an outlet and way more time actually enjoying the device. You could literally go on a 3-week vacation and confidently leave your charger sitting on your desk at home.
And when it comes to managing all the data it collects over those 24 days, the companion app is incredibly straightforward. It makes the initial setup a breeze, and syncing your health data is done with absolutely zero fuss. It's specifically designed to be painless, which just perfectly matches the whole user-friendly vibe of the watch itself.
Let's wrap things up with Section 4, the final verdict, exceptional value for money. So we've looked at the design, the performance, and that just mind-blowing battery.
Now, to be completely objective here, we have to look at exactly who this watch is actually built for. If you're a hardcore techie looking to entirely replace your smartphone from your wrist, the source does acknowledge you might miss a few of the more advanced high-end capabilities. But for the vast majority of everyday users, this watch provides exactly what they need: daily fitness tracking, a nice productivity boost through notifications, and just incredible everyday convenience.
Ultimately, the Xiaomi Redmi Watch 6 is just an exceptionally well-rounded package at a highly sensible price. It successfully rolls stylish, comfortable design, dependable daily performance, solid health tracking, and that absolutely insane battery endurance into one incredibly attractive package. It is a really easy recommendation for anyone in the market for a reliable daily driver.
So, I will leave you with this. Is the Redmi Watch 6 the right fit for your wrist? When you weigh your own daily needs against the impressive balance of budget and functionality we've just explored, it might just be the exact device you've been searching for. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. I really hope this deep dive helped clear up exactly what this watch has to offer. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll catch y'all next time.